Elephants love Mopani, and its leaves contain at least some water. An elephant can eat 600 pounds of leaves and branches in a day. But they have a fierce competitor for these leaves, and it's in a whole other league. Mopani worms can eat twice their body weight of leaves in a day. They're the caterpillar of the emperor hawk moth and can devastate hundreds of miles of forest. A few worms must get eaten by mistake. Yeah, elephants are herbivores, but a little extra protein never hurt anyone. You get 'em, Jomo. The biggest land animal on Earth, chased off by a very hungry caterpillar. This decimated woodland has nothing.